Hi there, welcome to the Player YouTube channel, where we don't just do car reviews, we do tons of other stuff as well. You ready? Run the VT. This is how a car should sound. Listen to this.
I didn't really push it either. I was just having a bit of fun. Oh really?
So there you have it guys, the Ferrari Roma, my birthday present. Here we go, we're going to meet the crew and hopefully get the thing. That's a real one.
I think it makes a good work.
We're going, mate. Nice to see you.
Show us your big chopper, your helicopter. So here we are, the Morgan Roadster, where we're here for the Swiss Squad Show. And guys, guess what? It's another morning here out in sunny France. Something exciting has happened today. Guess where I am? Well, you probably can't tell, but if you look in the background, there's something rather iconic over there. This is Dunsfold, and if you know Dunsfold, this is where they film Top Gear. And we're here today with Wiesmann, and this, believe it or not, is a good friend of mine that I met in Germany a few weeks ago. This is Arnie from Wiesmann.
Good to see you.
Arnie, how you doing, mate?
Welcome.
What a fantastic car.
Well, basically we are here to present Project Thunderball, but to give you the better impression about the historic and the DNA of Wiesmann, we are very happy to show you one of these historic vehicles and, well, hand over the key for a test drive.
Oh wow, guys,
So-
can you believe this?
Yes.
So I could take this car out and go and have some fun with it.
Well, treat it as your car, treat it good. You have one of the coolest BMW engines. You have an E92 BMW V8 M3 engine.
4 litre.
4 litre, 420 brake horsepower, mounted right behind the front axle, very low center of gravity, and we have the sunshine,
I know.
roof down,
I know.
enjoy.
Look at it, I mean it is absolutely unbelievable. Sorry, just to tell me a little bit about Wiesmann. You say it's a heritage car. It's not that old though, is it? Look at it, it looks like it's brand new.
Yeah, the car is old. The car is old, but always like we have the clear philosophy to build classic sports cars from the beginning, which means we build cars which never get old. Yeah,
Like that, so
Well,
you can't do that with women.
Unfortunately, we can't do it with us and with women.
Oh yeah, we
same
could
thing,
do with that.
Same thing. But to be honest, this concept is 10 years old, and Wiesmann already is older than 30 years. We started with the two brothers Wiesmann in the late 80s already with straight 6 BMW engines. Company grew, and then we had the opportunity to get also V8, V10 BMW engines in
You've done
the
a
car.
V10 as well.
We did quite a few because it was very limited edition. We did 43 Roadster V10,
Yeah.
which was maybe one of the most exciting engines ever built at BMW. And then with the new emissions, we come to Euro 5, Euro 6 emissions and built in the twin turbos from the M5.
Yep.
And this is one of the latest, or the latest atmospheric M engine. So this is a 4 litre
Beautiful,
V8,
stunning.
and you have a double clutch, 7-speed double clutch gearbox, and
Right.
I'm pretty sure you're going to like it.
Top speed on this car.
Top speed is about 300 kilometers per hour.
Wow.
And you reach 0 to 60. You sort of call
Yeah,
it
we
zero.
call it
You call
60
it 0
here.
to 60 in well, about 4 seconds.
4 seconds.
Yes.
This is
It's a very light car. We have a light aluminium chassis. We have a double monocoque, and we have a very light body.
Yeah.
And so we have about 1,350 kilograms ready to go.
Wow, it's nothing, absolutely nothing. Let's take a look a bit around the car before I take it away.
Yeah.
I know you shut the bonnet up there,
Shut
but
the
it's
bonnet.
beautiful, isn't
Yeah.
it? That long bonnet.
Yeah.
Round at the back here, obviously this is very much a weekend car, isn't it? I
It's
would think.
It's something. It's very easy to build race cars. To
Yeah.
build sports cars is our challenge. We know very well that our customers like to take the cars out for a weekend. So we need the space in
Yes.
the rear.
Yeah.
You can open with the
Oh, right,
with
okay.
the
Which one?
BMW button, the rear button. You have the rear
Ah, look at
option.
that.
You have a huge boot going up left, right side. You can easily put two bags in the car.
Can you get golf clubs in there?
Golf clubs fit in. Usually I'm not a golfer, but if you put the driver out, put
Yeah.
the driver separate, two
Then-
golf bags should fit in.
Perfect. That's all you need,
That.
guys, isn't it, for a weekend? Is your golf bag in the back
Yeah.
and this car?
Well, and then suggest
Yeah, let's
take
have
a
a look.
seat, adjust the seat, adjust the steering wheel.
Oh.
You have a very low center of gravity. You have a very low car, and I think Wiesmann is one of the brands where you have the option sitting in the car and touching the rear wheels with your hands. So you have a good feeling what the car is doing. It's a 50-50 weight balance, of course. Well, and it's always good to touch the.
I like the
beautiful-
touch.
touch it. Feel free, yeah.
So what size are these? These look quite
These are 20
wide.
inch to 85.
20s?
20s, yeah.
Wow.
This
Are they
is-
different on the front? Are they
Well, they also 20s, but this is 245 on the front, 285 in the rear.
85?
285 in the
Give
rear.
you a lot more grip, obviously.
Yeah.
But what a car. Absolutely
Yeah.
stunning.
Yeah.
Well, we got an opportunity to get this out on the road.
Yes.
As you said, I've got the key.
You got fuel, you got the key.
So I'll see you next week.
Yes.
His face.
Yes. What you think?
I think we've got about an hour apparently, but that's
You
more
got
than
the,
enough
take
for
take
me.
your time. Take your time. Any
gonna have some
question,
fun.
give me a call.
Right, here we are, out on the road, in the Wiesmann Roadster. Oh my God, what a car. First up, that bonnet is absolutely massive. I totally love it, but listen. We're going to hit the brakes hard. Cameraman's probably cursing me now, but I'm going to get round here. Oh my word, the turning on this car, it's just like it's completely flat. You can see the iconic jumbo in the background from the Top Gear track. We've been told to take it a little bit easy down here because the roads are probably not as good as what they should be. We're not actually allowed on the track till this afternoon, but you've got to hear that engine. Oh my God, how gorgeous is that? In a couple of seconds, we'll get down to the end of the track. You can see the whole of Dunsfold here is absolutely incredible. Never thought we'd get the opportunity to come around here and actually do this, but this car is simply phenomenal. Been told we can get it out on the road as well, so perhaps what we might do is just pop out on the road and give it a spin round the outside. The only problem is, you probably noticed, I'm in a left-hand drive car, and this car is very wide indeed as well, so I'm a little bit concerned about that, but at the end of the day, it's just oh, listen, what a bloody car, I love it. That's what you want. That's what you get when you buy a Wiesmann. You get this sort of hairs on the back of your neck go up, and then within a few seconds you're driving something that is pretty special. Listen to this. Right, here we are. We're on the runway. Runway? We're on the runway. I'm so nervous. We're going to do a standing start to see what this car goes like. We're on the runway here at Dunsfold. It's the Top Gear track. Well, it's not the track, it's the Top Gear runway. Let's see how quick this Wiesmann gives us off the line. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. You gotta love that. Oh my God, what an experience. Let's get off here. Look, we're going to go around this. Actually, this is part of the track as well, but that was just stunning. Oh wow, I just totally enjoyed every minute of that, and I'm sorry I swore in the middle. I never swear normally on video. Yeah, oh God, my bum's going. And this is only the start. We've got another car to do yet, and that's the only thing is, that's the electric one. I know it's going to be exciting, but I mean, at the end of the day, it's electric. This is just everything I love about a car. It's just, oh, I need to go and get some, I need a change of underwear. Let's head over there and go and sort that out. This is mad. Oh, just one more little bit for the camera, why not? Here we go, let's blow a few cones away, ready? Oh, wow.